Okay, here's the problem I had. When I hook up my laptop, it makes my toolbar look like it's like non-existent. I can't even read the words and stuff on the screen. So here's what I found out to fix it. I go to the systems. Let me see here. Sorry, of course we're getting out of focus here. And then go up to displays. And then you just need to scale it. Watch this. So you'll see the toolbar. So then it went a little bit bigger. Also the apps are a little bit bigger. And then you'll notice as we do this, there's a couple choices. You can go bigger, 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 and even the biggest. So this makes it to where I can sit way back here and still see everything, and then use my mouse and my keyboard from way back there and still see what I'm doing without hurting my eyes. So hopefully this helps you. It helped me out a lot, so please give this video a like, because I'm trying to make these videos as much as possible so that I can help as many people as possible. So give it a like and a subscribe, guys. So thank you and have a great day.